Hey everybody, Mike Chipperini at Chipper's Island Adventures, and today I'm going to do a mod on my Travato 59K. Now my Travato is a 23 built on a 21 Ram ProMaster chassis, but the mod I'm going to do is something to do with the cup holders, because I've never been happy with how low the cup holders are on the Ram ProMaster. I'm going to install this cup holder mod. I hope you can see that, and I'm going to take you through it step by step. It doesn't look that difficult. It's only like 3 screws, so let's see what we can do here. So first off, I'm going to show you my present situation. This is very low. So whenever I want to reach down and put my coffee cup, I have to do just that, reach down and put it in the cup holder. I'd rather have cup holders up here. So ergonomically, they're a much better fit. I went and ordered this cup holder, this mod, off of RVision. And what they sent me was the tray, the hardware necessary, and direction. So these are the directions, and I just wanted to point out that when you get the directions, what it will tell you is the installation instructions, and it has 2 different model years, 2014 to 2021, 22 to 26 or present. And this is the different hardware they send you, and then it tells you some of the tools that you might need. When you look at the directions, there's these boxes, and then you have 2 bottom boxes. Well, those 2 bottom boxes I don't need to worry about. It's just these boxes at the top, which apply to the 2014 and 21 model years. So I'm going to follow these directions. The first one basically states to hold the cup holder up against the area where we're going to install it. Just familiarize yourself with it. I've already done that. I just wanted to see how it looked. The next is to use a small lever to ensure it's centered. I'm not worried about that yet. Then it wants you to attach a small screw, which is, I'm going to show you. So I'm going to go ahead and take care of that. Alright, so the first thing it wants you to do is take this little tab, and I'm going to attach it to the back of the cup holder. So if you bear with me for 1 second, I have a screwdriver right here. And that goes in pretty easily because it already has a hole sitting right there. And I'm going to lock that down, but I don't want to over tighten it. And I think that's perfect right there. So we're going to set this aside for a moment and leave it there. Now I'm going to show you what I need to do. On the dash underneath, I don't know if we can see it, but there's a couple tabs on either side of the cup holder assembly already installed. And what I need to do is pop those off, remove the screws, and let that flop forward. There's one. I'll take that off. Boy, there isn't even a screw in on this side. I'll go ahead and take this screw out. There we go. So with that said, this thing should pull right out, supposedly. Nope. then you definitely got to eyeball it, like so. That really doesn't look too shabby. That looks even better. You want to make sure you close up the gaps, which I'm trying to do, like so. And I'm going to just leave that hanging. But what I need to do is, they give you these caps. And what you want to do is put the screw through, right? So that way there, when you do mount it, you'll have these little caps to put on. So I'm going to see if I could take this and mount it right now. There we go. Do a little hand tightening, like so. Oh. Yeah, I'll come over that side. We'll switch sides.
Mm-hmm.
Pass me the screwdriver. Okay, now I believe I found a screw like that not long ago. So I'm going to put this one in. Put this cap back over. It seems to be pretty solid now. I think I found that screw not long ago. So just as I thought, when I had this Alpine stereo installed, they must have pulled this off a little bit, and I found this screw on the floor. But what I did is I threw it into the tray, the existing coffee cup holder, the cup holder tray, and I just found it. So I'm going to put it in the this side over here because it was missing one screw. So now I got to get down kind of low, see where I am. Once I get it started, I'll just shoot it in with my drill. Make sure it's in. Oh yeah, that's nice and tight. Go ahead, put this little cap back on it. Okay, so that's looking nice and neat under there. Now let's go ahead, and if you'll notice, I put these caps on right over the screw. So now you got these nice little trim pieces. I'll close those up, both of them, and I think I'm looking pretty good. Okay, so I got it snug, pretty snug anyway. And what I'm going to do is give you a quick demo to see what you think about it. So we'll go ahead. I want to show you, for instance, if I'm drinking my coffee, there you go. It's right here. And you can see it's pretty solid. The one thing is the bottom one had little rubber to make the cup holder tight so it isn't rocking. And what I might do is put in some rubber grommets, you know, little rubber bumps that you use for a cabinet, we'll say, and that may make it tighter, just enough. As far as cell phone, I tend to have my cell phone plugged right here, and this is kind of a longer cord, and what I can do is I can get a shorter cord for one, but there you go. That's a nice cell phone holder right there. Or if I'm traveling alone, I just put it there like that. That works pretty good. Overall, not too shabby. What are my complaints with this? Well, one, it would have been nicer if it was a little bit more heavy duty. I think the plastic is solid. I just wish it was a little thicker somehow. I don't know, maybe it needs, you can take spray foam insulation and fill in all the voids to make it, instead of being kind of, whatever the word for plasticness is, tinny, you know, that it were thicker. I think it's a good product overall. I think it works great here. I like the finish caps for the screws. That really works nice. Now, Lord knows we love our Travatos because we have a bathroom in the back. So real world demonstration, if I'm driving, I'm kind of locked over here now, but you know, if I put it on cruise control, so it's a little different, a little less space here, but if I need to get to the back, I'm good. It's not bad at all. Look at that. And I'm long-legged, people. That's a fact. So if you have any questions about this item, let me know. With all that said, I think it's a good product. Like I said, I think it's much better than having to go way down below as far as putting your coffee way down below. This is going to be so much easier here. Let me see what it's like driving. So yeah, that's not bad. You know, worst case scenario is if I don't like it, I'll take it out. You know, but we'll see what it's like driving. I did like the little bit of knee room I had here. And let's face it, when you're long-legged, the Travato doesn't give you a whole lot of that. So, not too shabby. We're in like Flint. Okay, just so you can see a little demonstration. You can see this is a little bit loose. This is a regular water bottle, 23 fluid ounces or whatever. And you can see that's loose as well. So I would like to have something to tighten it up, but I can always put my spare water bottle down below. Okay. Not a big deal. It's gonna rock a little bit. I plan on getting a little bit of cushions underneath. And here's what I'm talking about. You got these little cushions. This one's from our local St. Peter's Fiesta. I can drop that in. That gives it a little bit of cushion there. So what I did is I went ahead and got some weather stripping or weather gasket like this. And it has an adhesive backing. Now this is kind of thick, so I just wanted to test it. So what I did is I went through a couple different varieties. I put it all the way around, and this, because it was too thick, was too tight. So I just ran it, I don't know, 3/5 of the way, and whoa, look at that. My cup is pretty tight in there. I'm gonna leave that like that, but when I go to Home Depot at some point, I'm gonna see about getting a thinner gasket and running it all the way around. I'll bring a piece of mine and just compare it and get a nice thin piece, and you can run it around and then make the cup holder tight enough for your own personal travel mug. One last thing I wanted to say about this. I think it would be wise that when mounting it, to have a piece of 3M tape running the interior where it meets the chassis console. And I think having that 3M tape might help, or at least tabs of it along the way. It doesn't even have to run the whole way, because it's hard to adjust this and make it perfectly balanced. You know, I did it by eye, just by lining up where the trim pieces are and the depth, you know, the distance from the bottom to the top, and I managed to do it pretty good by eye. That's fine. But the bottom line is, it'd be nice to have a little bit of 3M tape adhesive here. And otherwise, I like it. We'll see how it works when I do a long trip, which is coming up pretty soon. With that, if you like this video, feel free to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel. All the best to all, and happy adventure.